heavy as fuck, bro.
We were out here camping at Red Top Mountain.
Just drinking some beers.
Drank a full bottle of whiskey.
Can you get me a beer?
Oh,
yeah, the whiskey was good as hell, dude. I drank that shit quick.
I know. Somehow words incarcerate me, feel like a butterfly sting like a bee, like me up my prime, Muhammad Ali. Get out, whoop your ass like Muhammad Ali. Rumble in the jiggle, nigga, dope, leave them go.
That was a lot of words you said.
That was something. When are you gonna get up on Halo 3?
I don't know. Halo 3 kinda? Halo 3 kinda, I mean, Halo 3 is just old.
Tech. No, it's not, dude, but it's, alright, Halo 1 and Halo 2 are old. Like, they're hard to play, because, like, the spawns are bullshit. There's a bunch of bullshit to it. The Halo 3 is old, but it's not old enough to where it's bullshit. Halo 3 is the one where they've already figured it out.
Wow, back to me. Marijuana. So, how do you ingest marijuana?
I usually put flame to it.
Nope. And do I inhale?
No, I wouldn't inhale. It's dangerous.
I think I'm in trouble.
Did you inhale?
Yeah, I just did marijuana. Wow. I'm coughing the sins out of me.
Oh, good.
Dude, I wish we had like
This bowl is in honor of Sebastian.
Is it? Sebastian?
Sebastian, yeah, he's out there.
He's out there.
Out there blazing.
You think he's blazing right now?
What time is it?
It's like
What time is it?
3:30.
So
What
it's
time is it in Washington?
What it's like for a nigga
12:30.
Midnight? So it's
living
12:30.
Yeah.
every night, getting a
It's
He's
early.
probably smoking.
He's probably up still.
But this is now, nigga. For the money. For the
I don't know, man. He just got a great job.
I feel like I done did it. Or it's one of Dennis rapper man because he fit it.
Oh, for real?
That motherfucker to a crib.
What does he do it now?
I don't remember it now. I remember something about like running a restaurant. It's a bottle cap. Thanks. I think this was that.
Oh, this is
You know what I'm talking about? That night move. Merry Cannabis.
He's getting a little boxy in here.
Merry Christmas and Merry Cannabis.
You know, people say it's bad to smoke weed in the car.
No, it's not.
And you know what I say to that?
Why?
Prove it.
I just said why.
Yeah. Prove it.
I've never heard of that. Are people that say that?
I don't know. Huh? Maybe.
bad to smoke weed in
Somebody,
the car.
right? All the people
Well,
out
you
there.
have proper temperature control. You have fucking with the windows and the AC or the heater.
Your
you have
car
proper
is going to
temperature
smell
control.
like marijuana.
You have perfect music.
Yeah, but then
light.
your car smells like marijuana.
So what? You can't send me to jail because my car smells like marijuana. You gotta find marijuana. Find it. I smell marijuana, but I don't
I
know.
met somebody who said marijuana smelled like dog shit. And I was like, huh? Like they said it was just awful.
What if somebody
smell.
gave him like some fucking
Like actually dog shit.
Some, like,
but
weed,
he
just-
smoked it.
smoke this? Like smell it? Alright, sure.
Smoke somebody's pubic hair. Just roll up a blunt here.
That's all jackass.
Yeah.
They all shape their pubic hair. Who'd they give it to?
Oh, they put it on his face.
Who'd they give it to? Didn't they roll up Steven?
No, not Dave England. What's the other guy?
It was like in like a cab, like a taxi cab.
Holding us out?
It's almost out.
Out of tobacco?
Yeah. Careful with that tobacco, it'll give you a buzz, dude.
Yeah, that was the last tobacco in it.
We have a bag full of pipes of tobacco.
We smoked all the tobacco.
We'll smoke the fat.
It's like, see, what you want to do when you're ashable is just throw it wherever you want. It's just ash, you know, it's not gonna hurt anything. Just throw it, bro.
If you don't play Halo 3 out there, I swear. Hey, you think we won't roll up, motherfucker? You think we won't roll up on a motherfucker who don't play Halo 3? You ain't playing Halo 3? You wanna get rolled up on, you motherfucking son of a bitch?
You gonna get fucked,
You wanna
boy.
get rolled up on, you motherfucking son of a bitch?
I'll shoot your dog.
If you don't play Halo 3, you're automatically gay. Like,
Dude, if you don't play Halo, you have autism. Think about it.
think of what type of autism